Once there were two brothers who lived in a small village. Their father had died and left them a big piece of land. The two brothers divided the land equally. Both of them worked hard on their farms and grew wheat every year. The older brother was married and had 6 children. His house was always full of noise, laughter, and activity. The younger brother was single and lived alone in a small house near his farm. One night, the younger brother was lying in bed and thinking deeply. He said to himself, "My brother has a big family. He has many mouths to feed. It is not fair that we both have the same amount of wheat. He needs more than I do." So late at night, when everyone was sleeping, the younger brother quietly filled a large sack with wheat from his silo. He carried it to his older brother's barn and left it there secretly. Then he went back home, feeling very happy. That same night, the older brother was also awake and thinking. He said to himself, "My younger brother is alone. When he becomes old, there will be no one to take care of him. I have my wife and children, but he has nobody. He should have more wheat for his future." So the older brother also took a sack of wheat from his own barn and quietly carried it to his younger brother's silo. He returned home smiling happily. The next morning, both brothers looked at their wheat and became surprised. The amount of wheat looked exactly the same as before. The younger brother thought, "Maybe I did not carry enough wheat. Tonight I will take more." The older brother also thought the same thing. That night, both brothers again carried bigger sacks of wheat to each other's barns. But the next morning, the amount of wheat was still unchanged. Now both brothers became confused. They could not understand what was happening. On the third night, both brothers decided to carry even more wheat. They loaded heavy bags onto small carts and slowly walked through the dark night toward each other's farms. The moon was shining brightly in the sky. When both brothers reached the top of the hill, they saw someone coming toward them. As they came closer, they recognized each other. Both brothers stopped and looked at the wheat bags on the carts. At once they understood the truth. They realized that each of them had been secretly helping the other. Without saying a word, the two brothers smiled warmly and hugged each other tightly. Their love and kindness made them truly rich and happy. The end of the story. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.